welcome to the last video in the Shopify training series. Today, we'll be beautifying our product page for our posture corrector. While in an earlier video, I did say the product page was done, that wasn't quite true. The formatting and the way the product page should look is done, but there needs to be a little more thought put into this page for it to really be a good page to show to our potential customers. The description and theme won't change, but we want this page to really pop. The way that this page looks now just won't sell. The only person who would buy from this page is someone who is looking for this page, seeked us out, and was looking for this product specifically. I don't think that it does much for us as a landing page. Let's start to break this down a little bit. We don't want the ships from option. This is never a good idea and should always be removed. The second thing that I noticed is that there's only one image and nothing else on the side of the description on desktop. While desktop is only 20% of your traffic, it's still 20% of your traffic. It's best to add images so that it matches the product description on the left and on the right. Don't add more than the length of the description and try to make it so that the lengths match up perfectly. It just looks clean. Also, we just have a really big wall of text for right now. Refer back to my previous video where I said that really doesn't work. I like to bring in videos and images to the text. It really does break it up a little bit. We're going to put a video at the top and move the image down to the text a little. I think that gives a much better professional look to the page. To start, we need to get some new images from the manufacturer or distributor. You can do this right on their AliExpress page, or you can message them directly, and I'm sure they would be more than happy to send you some product images so that you could sell more product for them. I've already gotten 3 more, and we're just going to add those into the product page. Go to the product inside of your Shopify admin panel and scroll to the images section. Click to add more images and select all 3. This should automatically save the page, but if it doesn't, click save. Let's do a quick preview of the page with the new images put in there. Look at that, it fits perfectly. Let's take a look on mobile as well. All right, those images just scroll side to side. Perfect, love it. It's starting to look much cleaner already. Time to get rid of the option for shipping. Go back to your product in the Shopify admin panel and scroll to the variants section. In the top right, click more options and edit options. What we want to do is remove China, hit done, save, then go back into edit options and click the trash can next to the United States. I do it this way because from time to time, not saving between removing a variant option and then removing the option altogether causes issues in the product page and then makes you have to do it again. Next, you'll notice that the option for sizes go from small to extra large to medium. It only makes sense that they should be small, medium, large, extra large. For that, go back to your product in the Shopify admin panel, click more options, reorder variants. In here, you just need to move things around so it goes small, large, extra large. Hit done and save the page. Quick reminder, you should refresh the product page after making changes and saving them, as you might not be able to save the new order after making all those changes. Now, take a quick look at the page. 5 minutes of work and it's starting to look really good. This is what's going to make you stand out. This work right here. Most people don't do this. They just leave it as it is, they import it and change the description. One thing I don't like that we haven't changed on here is the brand name on that first image. Let's go back and edit that out. Go back to the product page in the Shopify admin panel, go to the images section, hover over the image we want to edit, click the 3 dots in the top right of the image and click edit image. We're going to draw over the brand name with a white pencil and call it a day. Our little secret. Hit done and save, and let's check things one more time. Okay, wow. I'm really starting to like this page. No more brand names, just his funky hair. Now it's time to add the video. Back to, you guessed it, the product page in your Shopify admin panel. Go to the product description and click the little video icon. We will need to grab the embed code from the YouTube page of the product video and paste it into this box that pops up. That's all there is to it. You find the YouTube page, click share, click embed, copy and paste. I want the video at the top, and we're going to move the image down the page a little bit. Make sure we center align everything. It just looks much sharper when it's center aligned. Now, we need to turn on the Looks Reviews app and import some reviews. Just go to your Shopify admin panel, click Apps, open Looks, and go through and choose your options. That's really it. All there is to it. You can even have Looks send reminders to get reviews and offer a 10% off coupon code. Pretty neat, right? Last thing, set your price. We go back to our product page, scroll down to the variant section, click the box to check all the product variants, and click Options and Edit Price. Put the price at the top, click Apply to All, and save. You're done. Don't stress about making this perfect website. It's great the way it is. This is a beautiful product page, and it's ready to be pushed out to the world. That's all there is to it. Don't worry about what the other guys are doing. Don't worry what you're not doing. Just make your page the best darn page that you can make it. Everything else will fall into place. That concludes the basic training for Shopify. If these videos helped you at all, give them a like and subscribe to our channel for more daily Shopify, dropshipping, advertising, and marketing videos. Stay tuned for the next training series going over advertising and Facebook. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.